Good evening, people. Actually, this is afternoon. Today, I wanted to show you how to properly use the multi-res modifier. What I did to avoid any artifacts, why I disabled this. The reason is because when I model polygon and when I use a sculpt brush, this you can always turn this on to see final result. I decided to turn this on. The reason is because I don't see any artifacts, so you can use with your 3D character. Because when you leave this on and you try to use the sculpt brush, sometimes your vertices are misaligned and they don't match polygon when you turn modifier on. So I prefer to use you can still use in sculpt you can still use sculpt brush, but if you want to use sculpt brush when modifier multi-resolution is on, then you won't be able to see in edit mode. You won't be able to add some new edges in edit mode. For example, I will add this polygon edge. Okay, I will go back to object mode. You can see, normally you wouldn't see that change. Normally it would display error message. Vertices would not be the same. I also use mirror modifier, to be honest with you, but you have to use modifiers in proper order. So I decided to disable in real time because when you use sculpt brush and sometimes when you go back to edit mode, your polygon doesn't look the same in edit mode when you use sculpt brush when modifier is on. Okay, what I should do? I'm not sure what edges should I add. Let's check this so I can dissolve that edge. Make sure you select this option if you no longer need that edge. I'm just thinking what should I do here because I don't like that topology because I want to create. I can use for example I can use collapse edge. I think I could actually create another edge loop, but it will not make sense. I'm just thinking what should I do? I can dissolve this. I can dissolve this and this. So even if I create new polygon, I will not have any side effects. I mean, you can see topology looks clean. Again, I disable this. I only enable this to see final results. Okay, let's go back to sculpt mode. I'm thinking. At the moment, I cannot use this. This is useful, but it's not topic for this. Okay, front faces only. Projected, that means you can grab invisible vertices. I will have to decrease this. Why I do like that? It only depends what shape profile you have got. what profile of the brush is, but I just wanted to show you the reason why I turned modifier off. Because I can use in edit mode and in sculpt mode modifier. I only turn this on to see final results. You can see I can even use mirror modifier. You can see I don't have any polygon artifacts. Okay, let's hide this. Because this is like okay, I just have to turn a wire on. And okay, what else should we do? View or the display. This is very useful. So even if polygon is deselected, you can see all edges. Okay, you can see. I don't have any problems with polygon, and I tried to model. I tried to create model of the Polish soldier. That hat will be tricky to create, but this tutorial was vector explanation why I only turn multi-resolution on only after when I use sculpt graph only to see preview to final preview to avoid any artifacts. So you had vector to only use when you want to see final result. This is why I disable in real-time viewport. It's up to you, but I prefer to turn this on. I prefer to turn this off when I create when I add the new polygon edges, because you always have to change something of your model. Okay, I have to hide this because I no longer need that moving plane. I just have to fix mouth. Also keep in mind it's a vector. It is a lot vector to move points, because especially when you have little bit more edges. Also I noticed when I zoom in, I can it is a lot easier for me to manipulate vertices. I forgotten something. I prefer this option sphere when I want to grab a single vertex. Wait a minute. I think I have to turn modifier mirror off just for 1 second. I wasn't able to grab the vertices. I want to close mouth. I have to publish video tutorial about one interesting sculpt brush called Relax Slide. I found out in Blender Foundation web page that brushes now take advantage. Not they are they take advantage. Single thread performance is no longer related to single thread performance, but they take advantage of multi-core processor. I just have to move this. Oh no, I just have to check people because I'm not sure if I made a horrible mistake. Let's check if I don't have any viewport issue. Everything seems to be okay. Make sure you turn modifier off if you want to work in edit mode. If you want to use sculpt brush, but at the same time, if you want to work in edit mode. Okay, I just have to fix that point. But that's it. And have a nice day, people. This was a vector explanation, the reason why I turn multi-resolution modifier off.